case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1985 case of Louisiana ex rel Guste v. M. v. Testbank, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit heard a lawsuit involving the collision of two ships on the Mississippi River Gulf outlet. The accident caused damage to containers on the ships, as well as a spill of hazardous chemicals. This spill ultimately resulted in the temporary closure of the outlet to navigation and the suspension of marine activities in the area. 41 lawsuits were filed in response to the incident, with a range of plaintiffs including shipping interests, marinas, seafood enterprises, restaurants, shops, and recreational fishermen. The central issue of the case was whether the plaintiffs could be compensated for their economic losses without having suffered any physical damage to their property. The district court granted summary judgment for all claims except those made by commercial fishing interests, who were considered to require special protection. In its ruling, the Court of Appeals upheld the district court's decision to dismiss claims without property damage, based on the legal principle known as the Robbins Rule. This rule, established in the historical case of Robbins Dry Dock, states that economic losses resulting from tortious injury to contractual rights cannot be recovered without physical damage to a proprietary interest. The court applied this principle in declining to abandon the requirement of physical damage for recovery of economic loss in unintentional maritime tort cases. Furthermore, the Court of Appeals rejected the plaintiffs' arguments for recovery under alternative legal theories, such as public nuisance, violation of federal statutes, or state law. In doing so, the court aimed to preserve the Robbins Rule as a useful tool in maritime law. Ultimately, the court held that the plaintiffs could not recover for pure economic losses in a maritime tort public nuisance case without evidence of physical damage to their property.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.